Hey guys, Jamie at the Summer Rain channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to make a do-it-yourself cuticle cream. So cuticle cream is really important in our skincare regimen because we want to make sure that we're hydrating our cuticles, right? Our cuticles are often the neglected part of our body. We'll moisturize everything, but we typically forget about our cuticles. So I am not perfect at using these, but if I have a tin of this next to my bedside, I'm more likely to use it than if I don't. So I thought I would whip one up today and just show you how easy it is to make. Now I did put the full recipe down in the description box below. I also put a link to my blog. So on my blog, I go a little bit more in depth than I do in the videos. So if you want to hop over there and check it out, feel free. There's also a printable recipe for this. So if that's easier for you, hop over to the blog. Without further ado, let's dive in and make our cuticle cream. We're going to start out by grabbing a kitchen scale and go ahead and weigh all of your ingredients. The ingredients that you're going to need for the cuticle cream is beeswax. So beeswax is an emollient. What this is going to do is this is going to create like a protective layer over your cuticles after you use the cream. It's also going to help thicken this up a little bit. Next we have mango butter. Now we use this to help hydrate our cuticles and also to keep this kind of in a thicker cream consistency. For my carrier oil, I'm using jojoba oil, but you can use any oil that you like. I just love jojoba oil. It's very similar to the sebum that your skin produces naturally. And then I have Lang essential oil. Go ahead and grab a heat-safe container, pop in your beeswax, your mango butter, and your jojoba oil. To heat this up, what I did is I went ahead and grabbed a saucepan, and I have a silicone mat piece on the bottom here just so it's not bumping around on the bottom of the container. We're going to go ahead and pop our mixture in here, and we're going to heat this on the stove until it's completely melted. Now that this is completely melted, what we're going to do is go ahead and add our essential oil. And then go ahead and mix it in there very well. Now I really like these containers that kind of slide open, so that's what I'm going to use for mine. And we're just going to take the cuticle cream and pour it into our container. And we're going to allow this to cool completely. And I just kind of wanted to show you how to use the cuticle cream. So what you're typically going to do is go ahead and soak your hands for a couple minutes and then use a cuticle pusher to push the cuticles back. After you do that, take the cuticle cream and you're just going to rub it in to the cuticle and around your nails. Now, I'm not perfect at doing this like by any means, and I typically don't even soak my cuticles or really push them up before I use it. But I find that if I have a tin of this that's sitting next to my bedside, I'm more likely to put it on at night. And that's just going to go ahead and hydrate and moisturize your cuticle, which is so important. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy making and using your cuticle cream as much as I did. Bye!